Sometimes I have to fuck one to get to the other. All these days, me I fuck your man. I never really a man I want, you know. You me did want, but I have to fuck the
Yes,
man to
viewers
get
and
to you.
subscribers.
So,
This is Jam One
you have to
Media
give some to
TV,
get
the
some,
leader
you know.
TV. Please
Because
like
I
and
give...
share and subscribe.
So I was like, I kill one woman, kill me, remember me a Taurus, you know. I remember she know about me long time, you know. So I was like, relax yourself, not a killer, me I got blindfold her. Alright, him come pick me up and everything. Me low key nervous, you know. But I look at demon in me as a person, go on for the good fuck, go on go get a good suck. Anyways, went in the room, she well tied to the bed, well handcuffed, nah see me. You know, I have to change up my voice because I say, remember, I fought that girl a man over the years, you know, so she know my voice, you know. Anyways, it's like, my dad didn't know when she up on the bed and she tied up and she blindfold. And it's like me, I say, yeah, I get my chance to prove myself now. To prove myself to the boy, and to prove myself to him, woman pussy. Says like, him some for just go on with my thing because him know I stay. And then, I don't know, I have all different type of fetish. And the girl told them it's clean, like clean, foot bottom smooth like baby bottom and pure things. So she lied up on the bed. I'm gonna tell him to go for some ice for me. Him go for the ice. I'm gonna just start lick her from her neck to her foot bottom with the ice. They know my mouth she start run now. Some of that start slurp up her foot like mommy in the whole fight. Not even the 5'2", like the whole foot. Ankle and everything reached my mouth. But just start nyam off her foot. Then nyam her foot no, you know. Never know so me have them the foot fetish day, you know. So you know me I slide no, me I say no, me I go on too bad on the foot. And she just have a nice little cute ass. Fresh and everything. I don't know whether that go on fair, but you know, girl hygiene up and everything. I'm gonna just start kiss up her ass and then I start eat up her ass. I'm gonna start to slurp it up and I'm say, you want more ice? I say more ice. I'm gonna just put the ice cube in her ass and you know, pussy right there so just start get slippery. So you know him come now like him ready for sex. I'm gonna say, listen. I know your night tonight. Anyways, my daddy and me eat out her ass and you know me I feel change my voice and me I say, tell me what you want me to feel. And she say, just eat up my pussy. You see when she say eat up my pussy, it's like one lightning bolt just strike me so every strand of hair in my body stand up, you know. I'm gonna just turn her up on her back. I'm gonna start eat out her pussy and me I say, me a fuck boy for years, you know. I'm never know say so boy woman pum they just look like cute and nice and fresh and everything. No man know say she never did I get no fucking no car boy I fuck everybody, you know. And listen, you see when I skin her out, like I had to make love to her pussy. I could have just eat it raw, so I have to just take my time and kiss up the jaw them. And then I see she had twitch her look like, it's like me I say relax, just whining on my face. So she start whining on my face now and one boy would write this so stiff like a rock, you know. So she was like, you can suck it like how you always suck it. You see when she says so, me I say, alright then. She said, suck it like how you always suck it.
So you know she gets it already.
Idea. Yeah, man. Girl have an idea who I work for her, man. So I say, alright. Throat she right there, so just bust out right now. No. Throat just open up so. Something wrong with my throat. As I know me I thought him about spring water. Something wrong with my throat. Some daddy and is like me, I say blood clot, my good fucker man. Plus my size up with him, good woman. My dream come right through. Right through. And my daddy know and I'ma start to suck the boy out and I'ma tell you. I'ma say perfect cocky. I start to suck the boy out and then she say spit on it. And it's like the fact that she direct me as to what to do. It's like me I said, this can't real. One of the time, I'm like, when in the dark, you know, I may have to brighten my eye to say if she have the blindfold, or if she knows, say, I may have one of the things, you know. Some of the time, I start suck him and I jerk him off, and I suck off him nipple them, and I start eat out the boy ass too. Some of the day, I may kiss up him ass, and from fame ass to fair ass, then from fame dick to fair pussy, and it's like me I say, no. life never have a sweet. So it's
Right.
like him say, I go fuck her. Me, me no wanna fuck, cause if me ever get a piece of fuck, would I start more out in my real voice and
Mm-hmm.
the tariffs, now she might have make we fight in there, and I never want
Right.
to spoil the mood. So I
Jam1 Media
reject all
TV.
sex,
Leader
but I
TV.
just a suck, so I just a
Mm-hmm.
suck, so the ice them melt down, and so I cock up her tooth for them through the cool water and I pussy and those slurp up
Slurp
the
it
whole eye.
out.
And just
Mm-hmm.
a spit out back in her, as some spit, as some slurp it out back.
Mm-hmm.
As some spit, as some slurp it out back. And the two of them did and them a fuck no sugar pan still blindfolded, saying what him kinda hold her up for she do the
Mm-hmm.
things them. And she go up on top of him now and just start to ride it and I me that under the balls them. Some of the under the balls just suck the balls them left, right. And
Mm-hmm.
it's like homeboy say him feel like him want to come. So me I say no, you come it. Worse like me not get no fuck and me no want no fuck. Me need
Mm-hmm.
for suck you and suck your woman make the two wanna come. So it's
Mm-hmm.
like me tell homeboy stay for spitting in my mouth. I saw them
Yeah.
spitting in my mouth.
Mm-hmm.
I spit it in a home girl mouth. Says I'm
Right.
more of what him spit, I share, and the two I will swallow. And
Right.
you see what when him spit in my mouth, I'ma spit back in a fair mouth. And then him come and me and I swallow it. It's like I lie down there, I have a look a moment when me have to change my voice and me I say, the world real out there now. The world is
Mm-hmm.
fucking real because I mean like all of my sexual fantasies, them just take them time and I fulfill. And I
Right.
mean, I can imagine you fuck a man, and you know about the man, good woman, and you lust for the man, good woman to ride through.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And boy, make you name out him woman crutches. It's like right now, me I think about it. I still
Baby
in a one look of
honey.
mixed feelings because, oh God, I can't stop reminiscing about the girl. I feel like I like the boy again. I want him woman right through. I tell you, she have a neat look of preps pum pum. And
So,
neat look of
you and him still are
wife
the things?
stress. No, we're not the things, but I mean,
Or
if I
just the
can just
woman you
get by
want
the
feature
experience,
right now?
yes, she more feature. Sit on my face right through.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just name out her pussy because I mean, something about the unknown. The fact that she don't know says me, and me know says she, and she blindfolded, it's like it do something for me. I feel like say, I can't do this forever. I
Yeah.
can just eat out her pussy and make she feel good right through. And she not know say I mean about one day, the pussy and the tongue connection, I gonna
I
make
could
sure
go
connected
mean.
to me because I feel like say, she gonna know that I'm out here. And she gonna
Yeah.
used to that tongue here because,
She used to the
man,
feeling.
yes, listen, she gonna request it back. I
Yeah.
mean, it's almost
So
like
you think
make
she
love
go
to her
blindfold
pussy.
her all the time? You go blindfold her all the time?
Why, I wish, but if not, I have to puzzle up and do what I have to do because they're big people.
Right.
And I have a way with words, so
Mm-hmm.
if I can reassure that, listen, sometimes you have to fuck one for get to the other. All these years, me
Right.
I fuck your man. I never really a man, I want, you me did want, but I have to fuck the man to get to you. So, you have to give some for get some, I don't know. Because she give me one look up buzz, and then she just, she want Taurus, but she conservative. She not out there. She
Mm-hmm.
just shy, and me I say, I know she has a demon in her, but you see the shyness. I
Mm-hmm.
said, I get her pussy deserve to be kissed up at all times.
Right.
So, I mean, it's not much, but I just have to take it off of my chest.
It's a
Because me
lot,
have too
and I
much
enjoyed
story.
it. It was
Listen,
a lot, and I
listen,
enjoyed it. Like I could visualize everything from your go down
listen.
at a car to where you're reaching at a room. Like I visualize everything.
Shade, a
Mm-hmm.
quarantine time now. And I feel like I call a boy just to eat him man pussy.
Yeah. So try it
Like,
and
I
see what
want him.
happens.
I feel like I want him dream screechy drive come pick me up. I forgot turn off him like dim it whatever. And just come pick me up because I mean, I don't know. Like, I can't believe some dream come true. I mean, I suppress these feelings for years and I finally get to do it and it a fuck
Mm-hmm.
up my meds. Like, I dream about her. My eye
Mm-hmm.
them wide what my I see her in front of me. It's like I can't believe say I have she a moan
Yeah.
without even calling my name. And the man
Mm-hmm.
just there right there, so just look power so like I said, go in night, Shan. Nyam out
Yeah.
her pussy. Make she
And
say
you
I'm a
did.
bad bitch. Like, oh my God. The world I keep.
Of
The world
course.
is keeping.
You know, I always say that.
The
You have
world
to do
is
what you have to do and
keeping.
that make you happy.
Yes. So,
Mm-hmm.
I
And you
don't
know me
know.
love that and rate that.
Like, I have to go masturbate and think about her tonight.
I
I feel like I just
go
want to call him
go
phone.
DM me and tell me what
Like,
going.
I feel like I want to call him phone for she just answer the phone. And if she go cuss me out or whatever, because my detail go come up on boy phone, you know. Just to hear her voice alone. I just feel that I need to hear her voice to masturbate. This is how
Yeah.
bad I did mad over the girl. Yeah. Something
So if you
about
hear
her.
her voice, you can masturbate
Yeah,
tonight.
listen. I want to call her man, and I don't want the man answer the phone. I wish I can call him all 3 times and don't answer me. And she I go call by the fourth. She I go pick up by the fourth. I want you to pick up, even if she have to say, Sean, what is it? What you want? But just want to hear her voice. I call my name. That's all I want to hear. So me just get a quick bust off right there. So
Yeah. You know them little vibe there.
yes, I'm stressed. I'm
So try
stressed.
and fight
Like
tonight and tell me what happened tomorrow, Sean.
I have to.
You have
I
to
have
try
to.
our fight, please.
Yeah,
I
I
want
come
you
out with
to.
myself. My hands them out and stunting. So I now make them go in tonight. I have to try call him.
I agree. Do
Yeah.
what's gonna make you happy and have fun while you're doing it.
I will,
Please to
I
keep me
will.
posted because I want
I
to
will.
update. All right, baby.
Okay.
Later.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.